Bilang Pilipino na may pagmamahal, pakialam at malasakit, hindi kundi para sa mas very good, malikot sa dagat or sa beach. Isa may malikot dagat o swimming What else? Kung sa patong pwede magbuhat on a sunny day. Si Mama ganan di sunny day kay pwede siya makalaba makahayhay kay maugang at mauga at clothes sa hayhay no dare no mauga pa itong sinilangan na rainy day. What do you call these letters? Are these vowels? Isa ganitong vowels? Isa itong mga vowels? 5 to ka po. Isa itong mga letters ng vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Now these are not vowels. What do you call these letters? Consonants. Everybody say consonants. Consonants. Okay, the first letter is letter R. What is the sign of letter R? Let's see. The R says The R says The R says ring, rabbit, rainbow, rain, rocket, ruler, roll, rose, rooster. Next, what letter is this? Letter N. What is the sound of N? Let's see. The N says
Dobang karakoy. Why? Don't drink like that. Thank you so much, Justin. Justin, hindi pa si Justin. Hindi pa si Justin. Kita ka ni ka? Si Christopher. Uy, nga na madera. What are you doing here? That's not how you do.